SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to unsend messages on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Before we get started, there's a couple important things to note about unsending messages. The first is that you're only going to be able to unsend a message if you've sent it within the last 2 minutes. The second option that you need to be aware of is that this will only work for phones that are using iOS 16 or higher. Finally, your recipient is going to see a notification that you've unsent a message on their phone. Now, they won't be able to see that message, but they are going to know that it was unsent. So with all of this information in mind, if you want to unsend a message, then you're going to need to open the Messages app. You can then select the conversation with the message that you want to unsend. And then you just need to find the message that you want to unsend, and then you can tap and hold on it. Here you're going to choose the undo send option, and then that message is going to be unsent, and then you'll see this message that it was unsent, but the recipient is also going to see a message in their conversation that the message was unsent as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.